students, in this video we'll start the exercise 2.4, but before starting the exercise 2.4 you have to know how to divide a fraction by a whole number. Okay, here 3/4 divided by 3. 3/4 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. So the 3/4 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. So when we have to divide a fraction by a whole number or a whole number by a fraction, you have to convert its divisor in its reciprocal form. Okay, 3 is a whole number. So what is new denominator? 3 is a numerator. So what is denominator? 1. So 3/4 will remain as it is, and the sign of division becomes the sign of product, and 3, the reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. Okay, so the denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes its denominator. So then you have to simply multiply. 3 into 1 is 3 and 4 into 3 is 12, and 1/4 is the simplest form of 3/12. So the answer is 1/4. So when you divide 3/4 by 3, you will get the answer 1/4. Okay, what you have to remember? You have to remember that the divisor you have to convert it into its reciprocal, and the sign of division becomes the sign of product. Okay, now section 2.4.3, division of a fraction by another fraction. Here you divide a fraction by a whole number, or here you have to divide a fraction by another fraction. So 1/3 and 6/5 both are a fraction, so you have to divide 1/3 by 6/5. So how to divide? 1/3, which is dividend will remain as it is, and the sign of divide becomes the sign of product. And 6/5, we have to multiply 1/3. Now the reciprocal of 6/5. Here it is a misprint given, so I correct it. So what is the reciprocal of 6/5? 5/6. So you have to multiply 1 by 3 to the reciprocal of 6/5, which is 5/6. So 1 into 5 is 5, and 3 into 6 is 18. So when you divide 1/3 by 6/5, you will get the answer 5/18. Okay, so for divide you have to multiply it by the reciprocal of its divisor. Okay, now we will start the exercise 2.4. One thing more which I forgot to inform you, that before starting the exercise you also know that while dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. I already explained you how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 into 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12/5. So how to divide? 4 will remain as it is, then sign of divide becomes the product sign, and 12/5 the reciprocal of 12/5, which is 5/12. Then you have to multiply. Second thing you have to remember, that while dividing mixed fraction by a whole number, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction here. So first 2/3 is a mixed fraction, so convert it into improper fraction. So the improper fraction of 2/3 is 8/3 divided by 5. Then you have to multiply, just I explained you, like the 3/4 divided by 3. Okay, now we will start the exercise 2.4. Question number 1 of exercise 2.4. In question number 1, we have to divide a whole number by a fraction, and I already explained you how to divide a whole number by a fraction, and a fraction by a whole number. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, when we have to divide a whole number by a fraction, so the divisor, what is the divisor here? 3/4. And what is the dividend here? 12. So the dividend will remain as it is if it is a whole number or a fraction. So a whole number or a fraction, it will remain as it is. So 12 will remain 12, and sign of divide becomes the sign of product. And we have to multiply 12 now by the reciprocal of 3/4. What is the reciprocal of 3/4? Reciprocal of 3/4 is 4/3. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal a number, when we multiply it by 3/4, we should get the product 1. So when we multiply 3/4 by 4/3, we will get the product 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 is 1. So what is the reciprocal of 3/4? 4/3. Now multiply 12 into 4. 12 into 4 is 48, and 3 into, what is the denominator in 12? 1. So 1 into 3 is 3. Here we can reduce it to its simplest form. So how many times? 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. we'll get a whole number 16. So when we'll divide 12 by 3 upon 4, we'll get 16. Okay, now the second part. Okay, in second part also a whole number by a fraction. So whole number remain as it is. Okay, 14 remain as it is. Sign of divide, multiply, and we have to multiply 14 by its reciprocal of 5 upon 6. What is the reciprocal of 5 upon 6? Is 6 upon 5. So 14 into 6. 80 is 84 upon 5. 1 into 5 is 5. So 84 upon 5. We can't cancel this 84 by 5. And 84 and 5 are not a multiple of any common number. So we can't cancel them. So the simplest form of 84 upon 5 is 84 upon 5. Now the third one also 8 divided by 7 upon 3. So 8 into reciprocal of 7 upon 3, which is 3 upon 7. So 8 into 3 is 24. 24 upon 7, and it is also in its simplest form. Okay, now the fourth part, whole number 4 will remain as it is. Sign of product. Then 8 upon 3, reciprocal of 8 upon 3 is 3 upon 8. Okay, here the sign is product. So we can cancel this 8 by 4. How many times? 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So what is the product of 1 and 3? Is 3. And 1 and 2, 2. Here is no number means 1. Okay, if there is sign of product, then we can cancel. Otherwise, if sign of plus or minus, then we can't cancel them. Okay, here a mixed fraction in divisor. In divisor, there is a mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it. Convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 3. Multiply the denominator by a whole. Then add the 1 which is numerator to their product. Now 3 remain as it is. Divide becomes multiplication. Now the reciprocal of 7 upon 3, which is 3 upon 7. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 1 into 7 is 7. And its simplest form. Now 5 will remain as it is. Divide. Here also first we have to convert it into improper fraction. It is a mixed fraction. So 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 upon 7. Now 5, sign of divide becomes multiplication, and 25 upon 7. The reciprocal of 25 upon 7 is 7 upon 25. 5 and 25. We can cancel this 25 by 5. How many times? 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. 7 upon 5. And 7 upon 5 is in its simplest form. That's it.